The S20 Fire and Smoke Series damper actuators from Honeywell are spring-return direct-coupled actuators that are designed to operate reliably in smoke control systems requiring UL 555S ratings up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Available in a variety of models, these damper actuators are housed in aluminum and accept two-position control with an integral junction box, and they also accept an on-off signal from a single-pole, single-throw controller. With a torque rating of 175 pounds per inch, they are compatible with damper shaft sizes of 3/8 to 1.06 inch 10 to 27 millimeters round, or 3/8 to 11/16 inch 10 to 18 millimeters square. Suitable for direct coupled mounting, all models of the S20 Fire and Smoke series are plenum rated per UL 873 and feature self-centering shaft adapter for a wide range of shaft sizes, shaft position indicator and scale, manual winding capability with locking function, and much more. For more information on the S20 Fire and Smoke Series damper actuators from Honeywell, visit us at galco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Galco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.